If you've just been charged or you're now under investigation for a sex crime or a serious felony domestic violence case, let me tell you guys, everybody, and I mean everybody's going to be coming for your money. All right, guys, my name's Lee Berlin. I'm a criminal defense attorney here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and all I do are felony domestic violence cases and sex crimes. And let me tell you, there's a common theme in every single one of those, that when my clients get charged, not only does everybody got their hand out, but everybody's coming after your money and your resources. Okay. And is it scary? Yeah, it is. What are you talking about? I've been charged. I just need to get bonded out, and I need to hire an attorney. And I need to be able to afford that. Not so fast, unfortunately. Let me tell you what's really going to happen. Once you're under investigation, law enforcement more than likely is going to try to find a way to affect your employment. They're going to try to get your employer on notice that you're under investigation for a really serious, ugly crime. Try to get you fired. Try to deny you the assets and the resources that you need to defend your case. DHS, well, they're going to try to drive a wedge between you and your wife. DHS is going to try to place pressure upon your wife to get a divorce, to seek separate custody of the children. They're going to try to get you out of the house, make you pay for a separate place to live. So now, not only do you have to defend your criminal case, but you're going to have to defend a divorce action, maybe even a termination of parental rights in juvenile court. You might have to find a new place to live. You might need new transportation, different insurance, double of everything. So when these charges come, the financial destruction, well, sometimes it can be catastrophic, and sometimes it can be too much for our clients to bear. And so what we tell them when you're first put on notice that you're under investigation, innocent, guilty, doesn't matter, okay? There's a few things that you need to do. First one is you need to create a financial firewall, okay? That's the dry powder argument or defense. What do you mean about that? I need you to go and take money and assets and resources and safeguard them. I need them put in a place where you can access them and others can't, okay? Meaning your wife, your children, creditors, okay? Anyone and everyone that might come after you or your money and try to take what you have or what you built or what's coming to you, okay? So you need to start to safeguard those assets. Remove them from common pools and access. You need to change, maybe if you've got a retirement account or an investment account with Fidelity or Schwab, maybe change the access codes to those, right? Because once your spouse, your wife, your girlfriend, your side chick, whoever it is, finds out and comes to know about this, well, although she said till death do you part, it might be till death do you part, or you've been accused of lewd molestation. And then they're going to want to burn you to the ground. The emotional effect and toll that that has upon a lot of my clients' family, loved ones, spouses, well, backs get turned really quick. Loyalties change. You thought your parents were going to help you out? Well, maybe they're not going to help you out now that you have this charge. Your friends and fellow parishioners maybe at church turning their back on you. A lot of these resources and assets, whether they be social or otherwise, get turned off. Documentation is key. I want you to document every single thing that you've got going on and document where every dollar is, whether it's hidden or whether it's community property, doesn't matter. Documentation is key. And then also I want you to explore some legal protections. Maybe you need to file for divorce first. Maybe you need to put your home into a trust. Maybe you need to set up new banking and investment accounts. Okay? But there's a lot of things individual for each guy or gal that comes to me has a different way that we need to defend and protect their assets. Okay. So when you come into that initial strategy session with us, don't think we're not going to talk about this, because you need a place to live. You need food, you need transportation, you need communication, you need a source of income. And all of those will be under attack. So one of the things that we talk about, maybe that might be different than other attorneys, is in that initial strategy session is how are we going to safeguard and preserve your assets so you can continue to live and continue to defend an action that could take 24 to 36 months. That's 3 years to resolve. A lot to think about. But get the dry powder. Get the money for the bond. Get the money for your lawyer. Get the money to live and exist and put it in a safe place. Till the next one.